Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm gonna unbox the Dremel tool which I bought online from Amazon. This product had some really good reviews, so I decided to give it a shot and see it myself how this product is. I wanted to buy this so that I can do some carving at home. It comes in really nice packaging. As you can see, this product is packed really good. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So it comes in this black box which is made out of plastic, and the quality of it is really nice. So let's open up the box and see what is inside of this box. So the first thing that I see is the manual, and we all know what to do with the manual. Just take it out, look at it, and just throw it away because nobody's got time for this. So let's move on to the next item. So it comes with this small handle that you can attach to your Dremel tool and hold it in your hand. So very handy tool. And let's move on to the next item. Look at these accessories. This is all spread all over the box, and it comes with a lot of accessories. They're all in this tiny box, and everything is just so small. Like, I was thinking that it is going to be somewhat bigger, but all of these tools are so small. Look at this disc. This is so tiny, very small, but it has a use, so we'll find out. So far I'm very happy with this product. Very handy, and I like it. It comes with a lot of cut-in discs, and there's quite a few in this box. So let's open it up and see like what they look like. And they're very small, they're very tiny. They are just like a piece of paper, very tiny. So I'm guessing they're gonna run out pretty quick. So let's move on to the next item, and this is a protective guard that is going to protect debris from going into your eyes. So make sure to wear safety goggles when you use this product, but if you don't use safety goggles, make sure to use this. At least there's something to protect your eyes, so make sure to utilize this. It comes with this rotary attachment, and by using this you can use your Dremel tool as a router, and you can do a lot of things with it. So very handy tool. This thing, I don't know what it is, we'll find out later on. So let's move on to the main tool and see what it looks like. Just by lifting it up, this thing is very heavy. It has some weight to it, but the build quality is so nice. The texture of it is so good, and I'm very happy with it. I kind of like it, you know, like the texture of it is so good and very nice. And there is a button to hold your chuck and to do so then you can change your bits, and very nice product. And there is actually a speed controller. You can adjust your speed, and there's a on off switch. So very happy with the product. And there's a reason why I bought this product, and I'm going to tell you what that reason is why I bought this product, and that is this flexible shaft. So I can attach this flexible shaft to my Dremel tool and use this flexible shaft for carving. Instead of holding the heavy tool in my hand, I can just use this flexible shaft, and it is very lightweight compared to the Dremel itself. And the build quality of this product is so good. So let's hook it up and see how this thing runs. I'm guessing that it is not going to be very loud, but we'll find out, because this thing is small. Like, it's not very big, and there's not a big motor in it, but I'm assuming that it is going to be quiet, but we'll find out how this thing behaves. So let's check it out and see. Well, this thing is very loud. I was thinking that it is gonna be quiet, but it's not that quiet. It is quite loud. Well, that's fine. Like, that's not a big deal. So there's an on-off switch, and I'm very happy with it. It works, and it makes some sound and it moves quite fast. I'm guessing that it is going to do a lot of work. So I'm going to see what I can do with it, and I think the imagination is the limit. So let's hook up the flexible shaft and see how it behaves, how it runs, how it works. So for some reason this thing is giving me a hard time, so I'm just gonna have to like hook it up and see how it goes on. For some reason this coupler was not going on no matter how hard I try. So it gave me really hard time, but after a while I was able to put it on and it worked. So let's give it a shot and see how it runs, and there it is, working fine. So I like this product. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, you guys have a good one. Bye.